Hello friends, welcome back to another session of Weblogic Server Patching. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you about a different process of applying the patches, which is called Stack Patch Bundle, SPB, with the help of SPBAT utility. So this is the new way of patching that has been released from the Oracle around in April 2021. Okay, and so thus it is available from 12.2.13 onwards. That means as of today, according to the versions of WebLogic, it is applicable only for 12.2.13, 12.2.14, and 14.1.10. And this will be applicable for the future releases of WebLogic as well. So what we are going to learn in this is how we can, what exactly is a stack patch bundle, and then how we can apply the patches and what are the benefit of when we are going to apply the patches with the help of stack patch bundle utility. So I think most of you are aware about that, but Oracle deliver the latest critical patch updates on a quarterly basis, January, April, July, and October of each year. So we have a 4 quarter cycles in a year. Then every start of quarter, that Oracle release a quarterly patches, which is called a critical patch updates, which includes many security fixes and then a lot of application or product related fixes as well. Okay, and it is highly recommended from Oracle. You should be on the top of the each quarterly release patch level. And when we talk about the WebLogic, okay, so WebLogic is it has an integration of multiple product as well. Like we say about WebLogic, the coherence that is come with the WebLogic. Then we have JDBC, then ADR, RDA, and apart from that, there are a lot of one-off patches for fixes. Okay, so when we go for applying the quarterly patches for WebLogic server, okay, and this is not specific to WebLogic. If you are working on any Fusion middleware technology like SOA, Webcenter, IDM, etc. Okay, so this process of applying the patch would be same for all. And specifically when we talk about the WebLogic, okay, so as I said, it comes with the coherence, JDBC, ADR, RDA, and a lot of one-off patches as well. So these all are patches released each quarter. And whenever we go to apply the patches, we have to download them separately, and then we have to apply one by one. Okay, so and sometimes it is happened that if we miss some of the patches, then it creates some kind of issues when we go to start our applications or servers. Okay, so it is always recommended to apply all the patches those has been released in a particular quarter. Okay, and so far, if we talk about prior to April 2021, for all the WebLogic versions, we were applying the patches individually. We were downloading the WebLogic patch, we were downloading the coherence patch, JDBC patch, ADR, RDA, and one-off patches separately, and then we were applying one by one. But now from April 2021 onwards, as I said, okay, and from 12.2.13 version onwards, okay, so Oracle has bundled all the patches in a single installer or a zip file, okay, and you can run a single command to apply all of the patches. So once you will download the zip file of patch, okay, it will contain all of the patches. Okay, and then you have to run only a single command to apply all of the patches, and all the patches will be applied in a single go. So you don't need to go and then apply the all patches separately one by one. And this is available from 12.2.13 onwards and will be available for all the future releases. So as I said, SPB provides a single download for all critical patch update requirements for the following Oracle WebLogic server distributions. There are different kind of distributions of WebLogic. When we talk about, we have a WebLogic Lite version, we have a WebLogic Slim version, we have a WebLogic generic version, and then we have a Fusion middleware infrastructure, right? That is that come along with the Fusion middleware control tool, which we also call the EM tool and JRF as well, and which we install for all of the Fusion middleware stack. Okay, so these all are the different versions or distributions of WebLogic. Okay, so this SPB is applicable for all. That means if you have a light version in your environment, slim, generic, or WebLogic infrastructure, then you can download and apply the single SPB patch for all. Okay, and it contains all of the patches that is rated with the WebLogic server, like coherence, JDBC, ADR, RDA, and apart from that, lot of one-off patches. Those has been released in the quarter. Okay, so what is the prerequisites for SPB? So first is you have to download the SPB. Second, you have to be on the some minimum version of Java. So you have to check what is the version that you are using and what is the supported version, minimum supported version for SPB. And OPatch utility, which is used for applying the patch as of today as well. Okay, it will utilize the same way. Okay, but with a different command. So you have to be on the latest OPatch version. Okay, if it is not, then you have to first upgrade your OPatch as well. Okay, and but this OPatch installer You don't need to download separately. It will come with the SPB. So you can, once you have downloaded the SPB, then you can upgrade your OPatch as well from that zip file. Once you will extract it, then you have to run some pre-check if the pre-check is met or not for applying the patches in your environment. Then stop the process of Weblogic server, create a full backup, and then apply SPB. So we'll see all the step one by one. So first step is to stage and verify the SPB file. That means you have to download and verify the file. So when we talk about the October cycle, as I said, this patch CPUs are released every quarter. So if the last quarter, if I say about October, November, and December, so for October, the patch file is 34689215. So this you can download from the My Support portal. Okay, after downloading, once you will extract this folder, okay, so it will create a path with a name WLS underscore SPB underscore 12214, because this is for 12214 version, and then the version of your patch set. For example, this is the complete path of the utility in my case. Okay, so where I have downloaded my zip file is inside OPT October 22 STB and then WLS folder. Inside this folder, I have extracted this zip file, and it has created a folder with name WLS SPB 12214 and 221011. So 221011 is the version of this patch for the October cycle. And inside that, you will have a lot of different files and folders, but the important file which will be used for the applying the patches, okay, which will be spbat.sh, and this will be inside tool spbat generic spbat and then spbat.sh. So this is the location for this particular file which will be used for installing the patches. Apart from that, there will be a lot of different directories and files for this particular tool, which we can see inside the extracted folder. Now you can, as I said, you have to check for the minimum JDK version or Java version as well. If I talk about the October, that this information you will get in the README file. Okay, here it will show you that the minimum expected version of the Java which is required for applying this particular SPB patch according to the OS that you are using. So because I am it on Windows, okay, so similarly you will have a different platform as well. So when we talk about Windows, so for Windows the expected minimum version is 180.211 plus. That means any version which is 211 or higher than that one. Okay, and the latest recommended version for that is Java SE 8U351. This is the latest one as of now, as of today. Okay, so you have to be on this minimum version. Then you have to create a complete backup of your WebLogic. So when we talk about the complete backup of Oracle, that means you have to take the complete backup of your domain, complete backup of your Oracle home, and the complete backup of your central inventory file. So this is in my case. So my middleware home is OPT Oracle middleware and 12214. So I have taken the backup of this directory as .pre CPU patching. My domain is OPT domain, WLS domain. I have taken the backup as .pre CPU patching, and my Aura inventory file, okay, which is created when you install any WebLogic or any physical middleware technology software in your operating system, and it maintain all the complete information about all the products. Okay, this is in this directory. So take the backup of this as well. Okay, with .pre CPU patching, and this is the standard method of taking the backup of your WebLogic when you are going for patching or even for any kind of a major activity. Before that, you have to take the complete backup of your middleware home and then your domain and Aura inventory file as well. Next, you have to check the current OPatch version, which is the command is same that you are using as of today as well. Go inside your Oracle home OPatch directory and then run OPatch and then version. It will show you the current version. When we talk about the October 22 patch, the minimum required for this particular is 13.9.4.2.5. Okay, so if it is older than that, you can upgrade your patch as well. Okay, which is inside your zip folder. Okay, so as I said, if you will extract this one, it will create some folder inside that one, and inside that this is the path of the script which will be going to use for applying the patches, and for this the same will be used for kind of you can say for the upgrade of your OPatch as well. Okay, so for upgrading the OPatch, you can run this command java-jar and the complete path of your OPatch generic.jar file, then hyphen silent, and then give the path of your Oracle home. So this will update your OPatch utility. Now, before applying the patch, you have to check the prerequisite for your Oracle home inventory. Okay, for that, set the Oracle home, Java home, and domain home path variables. Okay, for Linux-based system, Unix-based system, it is export command for exporting the variable. If it is Windows, then you have to run the set command for exporting, or you can edit your environment variables and then you can add the path or Java home there as well in the Windows. Okay, so this is my generic zip file which I am going to extract inside OPT October 22 STPWLS. Okay, and after that, the command that to run your pre-check for is the complete path of your SPBAT.sh, or you can go inside the SPBAT and then run from there as well. Okay, and after that hyphen phase, then pre-check, then hyphen Oracle home and your Oracle home. So this is the complete command that will initiate the pre-check for your Weblogic server inventory. Okay, and once it is successful, you will see the output like this: pre-check summary, number of failures 0, number of warnings 0, and it will show you the location of log file. SPBAT pre-check phase has completed successfully, and at the time it has been taken by the this utility. So once your pre-check is good, that means you are good to go for applying the patches. So before that one, you have to stop all of the WebLogic server processes, okay, and which will be a custom according to your requirement, how you have configured your environment. Stop your WebLogic server, manage server, stop your admin server, stop node manager. If you have OHS or some other component inside same middleware home, you can stop all the components. And how to apply the SPB patch is that it is a very straightforward command. Go inside the SPBAT folder which contain the SPBAT.sh script, okay, and then run the command /SPBAT.sh hyphen phase apply. Okay, in the previous pre-check we saw that we have given the command as hyphen phase pre-check. Now we are giving the apply command. So /SPBAT.sh hyphen phase apply Oracle home and then the name of the Oracle home. This will take some time, and then once the patch is applied, it will show you the output like this one: log file path, and then SPBAT apply phase has completed successfully, complete time taken, and the post install instruction if there is, then you look for the readme.txt. There is no specific information for SPBAT as of today when we apply the patch with the help of this utility, but it is recommended when you apply the patch, then go to the README and then look for the post-install actions as well, because there would be some post-install actions. If it is not for WebLogic, then it could be for other middleware products that you have installed in your same middleware home. Okay, so look for the README and then look for the post-install actions as well, and this will complete your the SPBAT and then applying the patch with the help of SPBAT utility. Okay, and all the commands I have given in the description of this video, and you can take it from there. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for few more interesting videos.